As Ukraine's drone army keeps on taking out Russian equipment, going after their resources such as ammunition helps lower the damage and resistance Russia can constitute, as Russia has also started to struggle with ammunition shortage. Each storing position destroyed lowers the local firepower they can project, as this FPV drone had found an ammunition storing position at a damaged building. The hit only needs to start a fire with some of the ammunition, as a chain reaction will often be the case. As this was the case here also, the fire turned into a huge explosion, taking out more of Russia's ammunition, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.